What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with amazing fundamental news about Giga Shanghai factory, about the mind-blowing price target from Ark'S, and about potential $40 billion sell-off from Elon Musk related to Twitter acquisition. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video 2 days ago at this very point, and I've told you that we found very good support from the range of roughly $980, and it is the support/resistance range from previous price action. We have several touches of this line previously as a support and resistance, and definitely it worked pretty good, and for now it works very well as well. So I have to say that Tesla is a very technical asset, and you can watch the video that I made just recently about its recent price action, and there you can find that the win rate of my analysis was about 80%, and I nailed the majority of its movement, and that is why this asset is very technical and you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So for now we don't have much changes, that's why let's jump into the news. First of all, the main news right now is right here. On April 15th, we have this article on Reuters.com, and it says, Tesla looks to resume production at Shanghai plant on April 18th. And let me quote you this. Tesla is preparing to resume production at its Shanghai plant on Monday, following a 3-week stoppage, having received the go-ahead from local authorities, 2 people familiar with the matter said. The plan for resuming production has the blessing of local authorities, but could still be subject to change depending on how the epidemic situation develops in the city, said the people who declined to be named as the matter is private. One of people said the US car maker planned to start with 1 shift and would gradually ramp up. This means it is not set in stone that they will resume their production this Monday, and if it happens, they will gradually ramp up the production rate. This means Tesla still is not in the best position, and that is why we have to be cautious with upcoming price action. So, the latest stoppage was the longest since the factory started production in late 2019 and has led to an output loss of more than 50,000 units, according to calculations based on internal output plans seen by Reuters. Ongoing production at the plant could be impacted by difficulties in procuring auto parts. However, as logistics in the city and surrounding areas have been severely disrupted by Chinese COVID curbs. And definitely for now, Tesla will lose a lot of potential revenue from Shanghai factory. And for now, Shanghai is the main factory among 4 of its factories. And that is why we might see some decrease in share price in upcoming months. That's why you have to be cautious. So let's continue with the next news. We are on Ark'S.com website, and they just posted amazing forecast for Tesla. And let me quote you this. Ark'S expected value for Tesla in 2026, $4,600 per share. And let me show you in details. So, they have basically 3 cases. The average price target is $4,600. Next one, bull case, is $5,800. And the bear case is $2,900 per share. And let me show you some details of this report. In this block, Ark outlines 6 topics as well as the risks and limits associated with our assumptions below. And the key points are following. Example, bear and the bull outcomes. Second one, key model assumptions. Key updates to Ark's 2021 Tesla model. Model assumptions that are not key drivers of our Tesla price estimates. Business opportunity not included in the model. And Tesla 2026 and beyond. And definitely it is very detailed analysis, and it is very detailed information in this blog, and I want to pay your attention on further estimations of Tesla price. Right here you can find the chart, expected value price target trajectory for Tesla from 2026 till 2030. And as you can see, on 2026 the average estimation of the value of this company is roughly $5 trillion. And by 2030 they will have at least 47% of compound annual growth rate. And by 2030, Tesla might worth more than $22 trillion. Definitely mind-blowing numbers. And I have to say that it's hard to ignore this forecast. So let me show you another news. We are on moneycontrol.com, and this article was published on April 15th, and it's titled "Elon Musk is not what Twitter needs right now, Timothy L. O'Brien." And let me quote you this. Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter Incorporated for $43 billion, but he has only about $3 billion in cash on hand. Most of the fortune of the world's richest man, which adds up to some $259 billion, is tied up in Tesla Incorporated and other nifty things. So, if he's serious about a takeover, and there is an ample reason for skepticism, he will have to sell a chunk of his Tesla shares or get a consortium of big buckaroos with the social media interest to chip in. Maybe he can enlist the help of Peter Thiel, Mark Anderson, and Donald Trump's Political Action Committee. And I have to say that I don't think that Elon Musk might dump about $40 billion in Tesla stock, because it will drastically impact the price of Tesla. Instead of this, I think that he can make some kind of consortium, or the terms of payment with this purchase might be different than the cash. And definitely, if it will be some kind of acquisition of Twitter by Tesla, or he might even pay with his own Tesla shares, definitely it won't dump the Tesla price. And that is why I think it is not the case. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned in my previous video, and I made it just 2 days ago, I don't think that we might go very deep with this retracement from this bottom to this top, because it is only the third wave on a slightly bigger scale, and this means I think we might land in the worst case scenario in $900 price point. On top of that, let me show you that we have this potential catalyst that will take place on April the 20th, and it will be the date of their earnings report. And in my opinion, Tesla will beat expectations because of its recent delivery numbers and with their guidance for upcoming quarters. And this means, in my opinion, if we won't see some major headwinds from Shanghai Gigafactory, and definitely for now it is not set in stone that it will be reopened this Monday. In this case, from current ranges or slightly below these ranges, we might have next leg to the upside that will hit the price target of roughly $1,223. And let me show you on a bigger picture, as I have to switch to 4 hours time frame. We have following targets. As long as this pivot holds of $690, we have following targets. First target is at $1,228, and it is the confluence with the all-time high right here. Next price target is $1,374. It is one-to-one extension from this wave compared to this bottom. And the most aggressive target is roughly $1,800. And we might hit it by the end of this year. And so far, I have to say that when we will have the pivot point at the bottom of our fourth wave, I will do another update, and then I will project some short-term targets for this asset. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the